I don't bring another gist. I just dey waka like people here care for social media. Now I can't see this gist. As make I drop am for now. If you know say you never subscribed for this channel, make you run go subscribe. Make you like this my video. Make you make your comment below the comment section. Hit that cocoa bell. Okay, so that each time I upload the video, you will be the first to be notified. See you in my next video. Love you all and bye. Guys, in this video, Wumi is on the phone with this guy saying that before Mohbad, I say Mohbad they always they fear. Mohbad no dey sleep for night. Even Mohbad papa is aware of it. Blah 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 blah. Guys, I will let you guys listen to Wumi voice. This is Wumi talking. I think when I see as Wumi mouth dey sharp like razor blade. They sharp like say tomorrow no day. This recording was done recently, just a couple of days ago. But since last year when Mohbad kpai, Wumi no come out, can't talk any better thing, tell us, say, see wetin kpai Mohbad. We dey hear now say, na knife then take shook am for him neck. Wumi should come out. What people they tell Wumi, say, come out, can't tell us wetin kpai this your husband, where you say na your husband. Say na husband, Wumi mama come to America, come to say, Wumi dey grief, dey more her husband. If na America na Wumi dey by now, Donald Trump with Joe Biden, they go dey make tea, they give Wumi the drink. Because they know say e dey mourn, na lie, mama, e no dey happen. To say na America, now wetin happen to Mohbad happen, all of una, including you, mama and Wumi, all of una go prison. They go arrest all of them with Sam Larry, Naranari, everybody way involved. Then go lock una up. They do investigation. Where the one they give Wumi tea? Where? Coco, Wumi, your mother make a pra. Sharp. Eh? You ready to do DNA? That Papa Mohbad no want make you do DNA because of money. They get Wumi. Take am small, softly. Now you won't begin to cry. Since September till now, you know if you come out, can't tell people waiting by Mohbad. You know. We don't know. He's always at peace with himself. Why not go be at peace with himself? Wumi, why Mohbad no go be at peace with himself? No be your husband, no be you and he they live for house. When Sam Larry they beat and both bar. Naramali inko. Everybody knows. Who knows?
Just because he refuses hospital, and the only reason is because of the fear that he had. He believes the manias are everywhere and they might attack him. And you know how he used to cry to you, to a boy. You said, why I won't say anything is that. Let me tell you, we are on support them. All doubt. But yes, but why would you cost Liam? Why would you cost Liam? And then more pain to you go to us if people. Why would you cost Liam? My own child will not clock a year before he died. Why would you cost him like that? And you have your own children. It's a better no, it's a better. I just want to stand in Jimo. Now they come and job. How come you cool? You know,
Mohbad don't tell you say timba ku o ma jìyà. Mohbad ti sọ pé tóun bá kú Wumi ìwọ àti family ẹ máa jìyà. So now wetin Mohbad talk so now they happen to you now.
And the man said he is never going to give it because nobody people. I know it's about like shame. Ain't more baba yi. Ain't more baba yi. Show that came in a bus like come and so she baba. Show that came bus like my gosh. When what I meant when I said my husband has been dead. When I said my husband has been dead before the actual death comes, I do that what I thought I'm saying. He knows how he used to have sleepless nights. He does not sleep. Mama feed the people feed Liam. He's always over to really leave our mama family because oh my come and attack you. Yeah, he could do. Look, he money. Oh, be my attention. Oh, you me see close everything. But you go hospital.
Oh, they don't call and go see. Say, Mohbad don't they like hospital. Even when he born Liam, he no born at hospital because Mohbad don't they like anything hospital. Ah, Wumi, you are a big liar. Wumi say no fit carry pikin go meet Baba make dem do DNA. Eh, Baba fit carry pikin run o. He no know Elegushi o. He no know Samilari o. He no know Naira Marley o. Ah, Wumi, Lala na full your mouth.
From somewhere so I can clear myself. I really want to, and also please let me to tell you those good people. I have begged Baba to come and do DNA since November, but Baba gone lorry, Baba will change DNA. Your committee pay what hell
Go at peace. Why Mohbad no dey at peace?
If the test hospital so bad, he will not go because he
We
feels these
hear
people are
liar.
everywhere and they might attack him. And that is the same thing he was running for when he was alive.
We hear you. Your mouth dey sharp. Wumi, you be big liar. Since when Mohbad pass in September, you never come and come talk any better thing. Ah. Why you no go carry your pikin go meet Baba? Why you no go carry your pikin go meet Mohbad Papa make dem do DNA?
I don't watch all those things. I will never watch things that will make me sad.
Say Baba na Mohbad property Baba they look for. Now I want to make them give him property.
That means